I find that the charges facing the accused persons are grave offences affecting the economy of the country as a whole and thereby posing serious threat to the financial health of the country and, in the opinion of the court, which can lead to anarchy, threat to peace and threat to national security. This in itself is a compelling reason why bail should be and is hereby denied. Pre-trial regulations were gazetted in the year 2015. The regulations were meant to give effect to Article 51E of the Constitution, which says to have trial begin and conclude without undue delay. The court has put in place elaborate measures by the way of pre-trial conferencing to ensure speedy trials in these cases. For this reason also bail is denied as the trials will not delay.
Kiaya gukorwo ari kiambiriria kieru hari gucokia kigina kiria kiugumanitio rongo-ini rwa NYS thutha wa igoti gutua Ekuirwo aria magwetetwo ngukumio-ini no meguthie na mbere guikara rumande nginyagia cira wao thikirerio na utuo. Akirekereria itua riu mucirithania Douglas Ogot niaugite thitango iria igumiire 43 aya iri na uritu munene uria magirekererio no mathararie thayu wa bururi.
Economic offense having deep-rooted conspiracies and involving huge loss of public funds needs to be viewed seriously and considered as grave offenses affecting the economy of the country as a whole and therefore posing serious threats to the financial health of the country and, in the court's opinion, which can lead to anarchy, threat to peace and a threat to national security and hence also cases of great national interest.
Ogot akiuga ihoya ria mawakiri a Ekuirwo aya ni wagite kuonania itumi njiganu cia kurekererio na bodi cira wao ugithiaga na mbere.
The blunder of public funds leads to reduction of funds actually meant to the greater good of the nation and also leads to denial of fundamental rights and freedoms as envisaged in Chapter 4 of the Constitution. These actions lead to economic sabotage and deny Wanjiku, the common citizen, basic rights including but not limited to good health, education, employment, food, shelter and leads to death.
Ona kuri uguo mawakiri aya ni moriti igoti gwitikiria Ekuirwo makiria wa atatu aria marathenio ni miri gwitikirio gutwarwo thibitari ari ni hamwe na uria urari mwandiki mukaru ministry-ini ya wira wa muingi uria kurugamirirwo ni mawakiri yake thutha wa ukorwo ari thibitari.
The accused person is in custody.
Ekuirwo acio ni makinyo magoti-ini matiganite muthenya wa rucio kurora uria cira wao gutwarithio na mbere na thutha ucio wambiririe guthikiririo mbere ya mweri turorete.
Today, their home was invaded by police officers.
Handũ-inĩ ha Kameme TV, njĩta Kamau wa Mwangi.